What's good, family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Absolutely freezing day in London today, and I've decided to vlog. It's Saturday, February the 9th or 10th. I've just lost track of what the hell is going on. This whole week has been so busy, so tiring. I'm ill, hence the hoodie, the sunglasses. Don't even want to see my eyes right now. I haven't slept all week, and it's just so cold. And every day we get into the office, coming back about 8-9 o'clock, it's been super busy, and then I've been getting the orders done, and Miss has been working super hard as well at home. There's so many things going on at work that it's becoming a little bit overwhelming, to be honest with you, and I think I've come down with a little flu, a little man flu, a little cold because of it. I haven't had a chance to record as much as I usually do or do any tutorials, and I really want to get a tutorial today, but just look at this weather. It's just, I'm going to get it done though. Today I want to get a tutorial out for you today. I want to do the side swing. I want to do a side swing tutorial for you guys today, because I feel that there isn't a good one out there on YouTube at the moment. I have done one in the past, but it was a bit Mayweather focused. I want to get into more of the transition elements of the side swing and why it's so important and so key. And I've seen a lot of beginners making a lot of mistakes with side swings. Right, that'll take you straight to the tutorial. Otherwise, sit back, enjoy the vlog, a little bit of escapism. Hopefully I can give you some value. And we've got a lot to talk about today, so let's head down to the postal center as we always do every single Saturday, making sure that I get these orders out to you guys in the world. Right, let's get on the move. Running late as always. See you soon. Cool, so we've just got to the postal center. I've dropped off the parcels, everything's good to go. Today I'm also thinking about doing a little mini Q&A. There's a few questions that have been popping up recently, so I think I can answer those in these type of vlogs. I really like doing these type of vlogs. I told you before, like I'm all about just sort of documenting the journey now with you guys. It's just a time for me to speak to you one-on-one, like allow you guys to get to know me a little bit more, let you guys into my life a little bit more, the background. And again, hopefully, like I always say, guys, if you guys are looking to do something for yourself, a little business, little online business, start something from home, I've gone through the experience, I've gone through kind of the long road, and I want to give you guys the sort of shortcuts and methods and things that I've just picked up along the way. So if you guys ever want to get into just that sort of business side of things, I'd love to talk about it more on my channel. And mixed in with the fitness element is just me down to a T. So I think it'd be nice to get my channel down those kind of routes as well. And also not forgetting the tutorials and getting you guys just skipping like pros and bosses, because that's what we started with, that's what we're going to always finish with, and that's what we're going to maintain. That is going to be our core kind of USP for this channel, which is the fact that so many of you out there in the world, so many are just buying this rope, the money rope. They made it into just this phenomenon, and on Instagram, on YouTube, and all the comments that I receive on emails, everything, it just shows me how strong this, I wouldn't say brand, I want to feel like this brand is yours as well, guys. This community, this movement, the fact that people are skipping so amazingly out there, like so many of you are just like getting better than me as well. It's just so jokes, but like I love that. I love to see people absolutely nailing it. So many people coming back to me and telling me how good, how just things have changed for them in their life. So many people telling me about overcoming depression. That's such a big subject as well, and I feel like I need to touch on that as well in coming up episodes. But so many people have been suffering from different types of things: weight loss, insecurities, weight insecurities, obesity, depression, just yeah, so many things. And the fact that the money rope just symbolizes something more powerful than just kind of my brand. It is a movement. It is a full-on movement. And I want to say thank you again, always, to you guys who have just changed my life. You guys have changed my life, and I'm allowed to now really follow my passion, follow my dreams, and I want the same for all of you out there, all you guys who have followed me from day one, even those who just come on board and picked up a skipping rope. You guys have already done exactly what this channel was intended to do, which is to inspire people to pick up a skipping rope, to learn it, to become brilliant at it, and just to change their life and cardio in general. So little talk there. Kind of nice just talking at this little postal center. This little postal center for me is like, it's just something just nice about it. And hey, look, that guy just blanked me. I just put my thumb up and he blanked me. Right, I'm gonna make a move. Look at this weather. Why, England? Why? So frustrating. Imagine if I had sun. Imagine if I just, oh, it'd be so amazing. I'll be out here recording every day, right here on that little spot. right about now, sun gleaming on my face. First, I need to get out of these. Check these bad boys out. These are my PJs, guys. Throw on my little slippers. You're probably wondering, what the hell is this guy doing? Why is he wearing sunglasses all the time? If you watch all my other videos, and a few other people have been asking that recently, I do have very sensitive eyes, so when I'm outdoors, even when it's a really cloudy day, have you ever had that feeling where it just is so cloudy, but at the same time it hurts your eyes? Or is that just me? Kind of feeling to keep the sunglasses on, my eyes, like, look at the bags. I just feel super tired. I feel the sunglasses just gives me that kind of shield as well. Fuck it, I'm lying. The sunglasses just makes me just feel cool. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I just feel cool. And when I do my skipping and I show you the epic moves and I've got my sunglasses, I just feel that the whole package is complete and I just feel cool. So just don't hate on my sunglasses, please. Right, also before I forget, a lot of you have been asking about Amazon. What am I doing with Amazon? So these couple of boxes here, guys, they're gonna be shipping, I'm gonna be shipping them to Amazon on Monday. Alright, so this portion of the video, I'm going to be going through a few of the common questions that I get asked a lot on my social media, on Instagram, on YouTube, etc. Still got the hood because I just feel so fluish, and it's just, this hoodie's so cozy, you don't understand, guys. If you already copped it, you already know. I was thinking about keeping the sunglasses on, but then I know indoors I would have got totally cussed, so I'm going to take them off. You can see just now how battered my eyes are. Just, oh! Question number one that I always get asked is, how do I keep my rope kind of in good nick? Right, so when I'm not using it, guys, and I get back home, what I tend to do is I always hang the rope on my door frame. So what you need to do, leave it like this and just let it sit there naturally. The reason why this is cool, because it just allows the PVC to stretch again, just to allow the elements to kind of realign, doesn't just stay knotty in your bag. Question number two, super popular again, is how long have I been skipping for? How long have I been jump roping for? And I like this question, guys, for a couple of reasons, but a lot of you out there seemed to like what I do, seem to like how it looks, and that's what I'm trying to portray for this channel, which is to get people interested, inspired to start skipping. And I want you guys to get to my level and beyond, and even better. That is what I'm hoping for. That's why I'm so motivated to keep pushing. So it has taken me on average, we're talking 15 to 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week, maybe 5 times a week for the last 2 years solid to get to the level that I'm at. However, it doesn't mean that you guys are going to take 2 years. You guys can take less, especially those who are kind of new to this channel and new to jump roping. It can vary from certain people, from person to person, depending on how much time and effort they put into it. The main thing is you've got to enjoy the process of skipping. That is why you need to get into this. Not because you just want to get straight up sick like overnight. You need to just feel like you want to have this challenge, this journey to get to that level. You're all going to start from here, and if you want to get to here, if you want to do it overnight, it's not the right way of thinking about it. You're not in it for the right kind of reasons, I would say. Yes, you want to make your cardio epic and quick and get results quick, but enjoy the journey of getting to that level. Enjoy the whips and the slaps from the rope. Enjoy just not getting it right one day and the next day getting it right, and then going back the next day and you've forgotten it. Just enjoy that frustration, enjoy that hunger to succeed every day. That's the whole point of the why you're going to pick up this rope, guys. That's what I hope it is, because you want to be better, you want to achieve your potential, you want to just master it. It's a craft. It's not like running. You can't just put your earphones in, just switch off and close your eyes and run. Skipping, you've got to think about it, the routines, you've got to have the mental game just has to be on point, timing, everything. So that's why enjoy the process, guys. It's not going to come overnight. It's a great question, but what you need to really ask yourself is, how much time are you willing to invest in this? How much patience, and how much do you really want it? Enjoy the ride, guys. That's what I need to say to you. Just enjoy it. Right, guys, so we are now ready to reveal the new Phantom T. Check this out. Nice bold lettering. TRWF, you guys know what that stands for. The curved hem, which is now the kind of thing right now with us. We've got the hoodie that's got the curved hem. We've also got the iconic heart rate skipping rope branding on the right sleeve. I feel that the sleeve has just been done at the right length, kind of just brings out the arms, but doesn't look too gym muscly, so you can rock it as a lifestyle t-shirt. Just really nice material, guys. It hugs the body, brings out the athleticness of everyone's shape, without kind of being too tight at the same time. This is a medium that I'm rocking, and we're going to be looking to bring these out I would say end of the month with the new Phantom money rope, the new all black money rope. What's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. So I thought the tutorial went pretty well. I've been itching to make this side swing tutorial for a long time actually. Man, like Adam.
What's going on?
You'll be on the YouTube, yeah?
Yeah, man, of course.
Sick, man. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm AC. Get my Rush Athletics work on.
Yeah, legend.
Yeah.
With my boy Adam C. Just coming down, picking up some ropes, hooking him up.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's too advanced for me. Peace out.
Respect.
Take it easy.
Catch you on the tube, yeah?
In a bit.
Oh my days. Snow or rain? Good question. This is starting some work. I hope you guys enjoyed that little Q&A segment of the video, and also just the little general kind of advice and chats that we're starting to have in this little vlog. You guys get to know me a little bit better, for me to show you what's up and coming in the business, for those of you who are really interested in the brand and want to grow with us, and not just kind of just learn from the tutorials, but also just join us in our journey and push what we're promoting and what we're teaching. So keep up to date with what's going on. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you stumbled across this video, we are changing cardio forever, guys, and it's all thanks to you. Everyone who has been there from the beginning, everyone who's joining the journey right now, thank you all, love you all. Keep doing you guys. Remember, keep striving for better, reach your potential, and just, yeah, the sky's the limit. Go out and get it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.